Hello, good morning. My voice is a little off today because I have a little cold, but it's all right. For today's video, we're making some poha. So the main ingredient here is chura or poha or Bajan rice, whatever you want to call it. It's a staple in Nepali households. You just rinse it off, you drain and squeeze out the excess water. Otherwise, it's going to turn a little mushy. You keep it aside, okay? And then you prep the rest of your ingredients. Heat up your pan and you temper the mustard seed. This is one of the most important steps because I think mustard seed gives a lot of flavor. And then eventually you add all the other ingredients. I added green chilies, a lot of it. Then I added onions. My onions are frozen, that's why they're doing that. And then curry leaves. And then I added potatoes. Make sure you cut your potatoes like in small pieces because bigger pieces are going to take a while to cook. And this is breakfast, we need it quick. And then I added the peas and carrots and the peanuts. Mine are already roasted. If they're not roasted, you better roast them before you do this. And then the salt, the pepper, masala, all that thing according to your taste. And then you finally add that poha that you put aside. Mix it all up, cook it for a little bit longer, and then you can serve it. It's ready. I've seen some recipes where you add a little bit of sugar in it. I did not do that. It's optional if you want to do. Then I added bhujia in here. It didn't have any save. And some lemon juice. Ooh, so yummy. And then just mix it all up, scoop and enjoy. Now here is a bonus clip of me enjoying this with my cup of coffee. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Hi guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.